Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to be discussing native slang words and phrases that will help you sound like a native speaker. Dig. This slang means to like something or someone. For example, I dig your outfit. Lame. This slang means that something is boring or uncool. For example, the party was so lame. Throw shade. This slang means to insult or criticize someone indirectly. For example, she always throws shade at me whenever I talk about my achievements. Hella. This slang means very or extremely. For example, that concert was hella awesome. Lit. This word means that something is exciting or amazing. For example, that party was so lit. Savage. This term is used to describe someone who is tough or ruthless. For example, she's a savage when it comes to competition. Chill. This word means to relax or take it easy. For example, let's just chill at home tonight. Dope. This word means that something is cool or impressive. For example, that new car is so dope. Sick. This term is used to describe something that is awesome or amazing. For example, that concert was sick. Fam. This word is short for family and is used to refer to close friends or a group of people you are close with. For example, what's up fam? Loki. This term means to keep something quiet or to do something secretly. For example, I'm low-key excited for the party tonight. Extra. This word is used to describe someone who is over the top or excessive. For example, she's so extra with her makeup. Shook. This term is used to describe someone who is surprised or shocked. For example, I'm so shook that she got the job. Gucci. This word is slang for good or fine. For example, everything is Gucci. Woke. This term means to be aware of social issues or current events. For example, she's so woke when it comes to political issues. Slay. This word means to do something exceptionally well. For example, she slayed that dance performance. Squad. This word is used to refer to a group of close friends. For example, I'm hanging out with my squad tonight. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about these native slangs and phrases. Remember to use them appropriately in informal conversations to sound like a native speaker. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.